Example 7 of the one-to-one and inverse functions lab. We want to find the inverse if it exists of f of x equals 2x minus 1. First, we need to determine if the inverse even exists, and to do that we need to graph f of x. And so here is f of x graphed. We can see it's a line. To find out if an inverse exists, it needs to pass the horizontal line test, which determines if the function is one-to-one. So if we draw an imaginary horizontal line through this entire graph, it'll touch the function once. And so it does pass the horizontal line test, and so we know the function is one-to-one, and therefore the inverse does exist. And so to find the inverse, we're going to rewrite this where f of x is y. So you have y is equal to 2x minus 1. And we're going to swap the places of the x and the y's to find the inverse. So for the inverse, instead of this y, we have an x. And instead of this x, we have a y. And now we're going to solve for y. So adding 1 from this side, we have x plus 1 is equal to 2y. And then dividing by 2 on both sides, we have x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to y. And now that we have it solved for y, we can rewrite this. Instead of a y, we can replace y with the inverse of f of x is equal to x plus 1 over 2. And this is our inverse function.